Hi, I'm Becky and today we're going to be working on our abs, but we're going to do a plank workout. So it will work the rest of your body, but mainly concentrating on the abs. So when we get into position, make sure your hands are underneath the shoulders and you push that weight forward. On some of them we can drop to the knees if you need to, but we're going to try and keep to our feet. So we're going to start in 3, 2, 1. So the first one is spider plank. So we're going to lift that knee to the side. So you're going to try and get as close as you can to the elbow. So remember to keep that weight pushing forward over the arms and then try and get that knee to the side, then back to the together. That's it. So we're going to hold for 10 seconds and then we're going to go on to our next one. So get into your position. This one is hot hands. So you're going to lift up, then down. So what you're going to try and do is keep the hips facing the floor and try and not twist them. What you might do is this. So we're going to try and avoid twisting the hips. So keep them facing down to the ground. Lift one arm up and down. Rest down. That's it. So we've got 5 seconds left. So we're going to go into the next one. We're going to lift up, then drop down. So when you lift that leg, you're going to squeeze the glutes. So you don't need to lift it too high. Keep that weight over the arms. Lift one leg, then drop. That's it. Keep squeezing the glutes. Good. We've got one more and then we're going to repeat all 4 again. So back into your plank position. This time, touch the opposite shoulder. So it's the same as the first one. You're going to try and not move the hips. Keep that weight forward. If you need to, have the legs wider. Or if you can, keep them narrow. So you've got to hold and brace those abs. Tap that shoulder down. So I'm going to go through them one more time. So first one, spider plank. So the knee comes to the side, then back. That's it. Keep that back nice and long. Knee comes in, feet back together, push that weight forward. Nearly there. Good. Next one, plank, but concentrating on the arms. So over the hands and then we lift up and down. Try and not move those hips. That's it. Push that weight forward. If you need to, have the legs wider and then it will help you with your hips, but if you can, keep them more narrow. Keep those hips facing down. 2 more left. So back to plank and then lifting the leg up. If your hands are hurting, you can drop down to the elbows, lift up and down. So hands or elbows. Keep that leg straight. Squeeze the glutes as you lift. Keep that weight over the arms, keep it pushing forward. Then last one, we'll go back to our hands, extend, and then you can tap your shoulder. So try and not move the hips. That's it, keep those abs strong. Each side. You can go from the knees if you need to. Keep those hands underneath the shoulders. Nearly there. Well done. That was your plank workout and I'll see you next time.